Look how loaded this is. 1 pound of meat. Welcome back, Fluffy Foodies. Woohoo! And today, we are going to see how fast we can consume the Subway Beast, which is already a half a pound of meat. Double the meat, though. I paid extra to double the meat, so that should be at least a pound of meat. Subway, you better not have screwed me on this one. So they got this new thing going on now that any sub you want is only $6.99. So obviously, if you do double meat, it's an upcharge. I had some points at the end of the day. I paid $10.08. This would have been like 21 something without my coupon and points and all that. Let's see this massive beauty of 1 pound of meat. Oh, they didn't even cut it all the way. It must have had problems cutting. Look at this. Look how loaded this is. 1 pound of meat. Well, at least I hope so. I don't have like a scale here. Oh my gosh, the lettuce. It's lettuce. It's lettuce. But I got myself some vitamin water dragon fruit to drink. Woohoo! Yes, sir. I'm going to pop this cap. I love dragon fruit. You like dragon fruit? Let me know. Alright. Look at these big puppies. Take one more glance before we start putting this down in the big old jelly belly. Just the neighbors. Alright. You guys ready? Without further ado, we're going to see how fast we can down this. Look at all that meat. It's got pepperoni, general salami, ham, turkey, roast beef. Look how thick that is. This is how thick a sandwich should normally be. All right, I'm back. Sorry. The neighbors wanted to get my attention for some reason. All right, look at this beauty. Now I'm ready to devour this. Whew, it's heavy. This is going to have some weight to it. I'm actually curious on how much it actually weighs. It definitely feels like well over more than a pound, but you know, you never know. All right, guys, without further ado, on your marks, get set, let's get fluffy.
I see her rolling up over black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that? I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body.
They definitely doubled this. Oh my goodness.
She's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, Casamigos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane, jealous of the clothing that she wears.
Oh my god, get the hell out.
No shame, baby, can't get a play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
I almost got stung by a bee. That was only half. We got another big boy right here. Look at all that. It's a thick sandwich. Holy moly. I'm not really trying to time myself. I just want to see how fast I can do this.
They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn.
If it had the regular amount of meat, I would have been done already. The bread is so flaky.
Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane, jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby, came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs,
It's squirting all over me. Only a couple more bites, but I am full. So much for losing 18 pounds in the last couple of weeks. Holy Toledo. I'm full. I'm not cleaning this off till I get out of the car because I ain't putting this on my floor. Woo! I mean, guys, you want to try this? Go for it. The Double Meat Beast. The Subway Double Meat Beast Challenge. Oh my, it's got to be at least 2 pounds. Holy Toledo. Thank you guys for hanging out. I do appreciate the amazing love and support. I'll see you guys on the next one. As always, keep... Oh, hang on. Wow. As always, today's a good day to have a great day. God bless each and every one of you. Bye.